Bow windows are known for their elegant curve, expansive glass panels, and ability to transform both the interior and exterior of a home. They add depth, increase natural light, and create a beautiful focal point in living spaces. However, installing bow windows is more complex than replacing a standard flat window. Because they project outward from the home, structural planning is essential. For homeowners in Mandeville, understanding the structural considerations involved helps ensure a safe, durable, and visually stunning result. Understanding the projection design. Unlike traditional windows that sit flush with the wall, bow windows extend outward in a gentle arc. This projection adds interior space and exterior dimension, but it also changes how weight is distributed. In Mandeville homes, the wall opening must be properly evaluated to determine whether additional structural support is needed. The extended design requires careful planning to maintain stability and long-term performance. Assessing load-bearing requirements. One of the most important considerations when installing bow windows is whether the wall is load-bearing. In Mandeville residences, a professional assessment ensures that the wall can safely support the new window configuration. In some cases, additional framing or reinforcement may be necessary to maintain structural integrity. Reinforcing the window opening. Installing a bow window typically involves enlarging or modifying the existing window opening. This process requires precise framing to create a secure base for the new window unit. Proper reinforcement in Mandeville homes ensures that the window remains level, aligned, and stable over time. Supporting the weight of multiple panels. Bow windows consist of 4 or more connected window panels, which makes them heavier than standard single windows. To prevent sagging or shifting, Mandeville homeowners must ensure that adequate support systems are installed. This may include reinforced headers or support cables that anchor the window securely to the structure. Weatherproofing and sealing. Because bow windows extend outward, they are exposed to more exterior surface area. Proper sealing and flashing are critical to prevent moisture intrusion. In Mandeville homes, professional installation includes weatherproof barriers that protect both the window and surrounding wall materials. Roof or overhang considerations. Some bow windows include a small roof or overhang above the projection for added protection. In Mandeville residences, incorporating a properly designed overhang enhances durability and helps shield the window from direct weather exposure. Interior space planning. Bow windows create additional interior space that can be used for seating or decorative elements. Before installation, Mandeville homeowners should consider how the extended area will affect room layout. Ensuring proper structural support allows this space to be both functional and secure. Maintaining exterior harmony. Structural changes should complement the home's architectural style. When installing bow windows in Mandeville, attention to proportion and alignment ensures the new feature enhances curb appeal without compromising structural balance. Professional expertise matters. Because bow windows involve structural modifications, professional installation is essential. Experienced installers in Mandeville understand how to evaluate load requirements, reinforce openings, and ensure long-term stability. A beautiful upgrade built on a strong foundation. Bow windows offer dramatic visual appeal and increased natural light, but their installation requires careful planning and structural consideration. For homeowners in Mandeville, understanding these structural elements ensures the finished result is both beautiful and secure. With proper reinforcement, weatherproofing, and expert installation, bow windows become a lasting architectural feature that enhances comfort, value, and design for years to come.